Negotiating a job offer. Once you get a job offer, it is important to negotiate before you accept the offer. Many people often overlook this aspect in their excitement of landing a new job and, in the process, lose out on some good benefits that negotiating the offer would have given them. Consider the following aspects when negotiating a job offer. In case you are unemployed at the moment and desperately need a job, the scope for negotiation is minimal. In such a case, just talk to the recruiter and see how much additional pay you can get with little negotiation. Just take the offer and think about negotiating when you look for your next job and when your financial situation is more comfortable. In case you are fresh out of college and this is your first job, the scope for negotiation is also minimal. In such a case, just take up the offer and establish your candidature for a higher-paying job down the road. Now, if you are an experienced candidate and already working and you are looking for a career bump via this new job, negotiate well and see how much you can leverage before accepting the new offer. First of all, decide on a base pay amount that you will be comfortable with and which is the absolute minimum below which you will not accept the new job offer. Next, look at the benefits on offer for the new job. A few points to consider would be how much vacation time does the new job have. For example, if your current job gives you 5 weeks of vacation a year, and your new job starts with 4 weeks of vacation in the first year, make sure your compensation accounts for the loss of a week's vacation in monetary terms. How do other benefits on offer in the new job compare to the benefits you get in your current job? Do the healthcare and other benefits match up to or exceed similar benefits you receive in your current job? If the answer is yes, definitely your new offer is worth considering. If the 401k or similar retirement benefits in the new job match or exceed your retirement benefits in your current job, then the new offer is worth considering. Also, get a rough idea about the work-life balance in your new job compared to your current job. Of course, the new role could be a challenging one, and you may need to put in a lot of hours initially to establish yourself, but it should not affect your work-life balance negatively over the longer term. In any case, negotiating a job offer depends on individual circumstances, and some people may have more leeway than others. However, do consider all the aspects mentioned above before accepting a new offer. After all, you want to start your new job on a happy note and not be disappointed later on, thinking that you should have negotiated well.